I received this birthday gift in the mail from my sister. I was so excited because I had no idea what it would be. She has so many nice things in her home, and I just love, love, love everything about it. Every time I would visit her, I would always rant and rave about if it wasn't her couch, it would be her light fixtures or her sconce lighting or her planters, or just all of her decor is just so glamorous. So as you can see, this box was tightly secured with a tape on the outside, tape on the inside, quite a few styrofoam to keep the item secured. And once I saw it, I was in shock and in awe. Can you say glamorous? It is absolutely beautiful. I mean, the shine on it was absolutely sparkling. There was some dust on it, of course, from the packaging, and I kind of dusted that off. And then I went over it with some glass cleaner as well, but it was absolutely beautiful. And I'm not sure if you noticed how heavy or how hard it was to lift it up out of the box. It is quite heavy. So I absolutely love it. So she sent this to me as a birthday gift. Thank you so much, sister. I really appreciate it. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to style it. And I think I'm going to have to get the matching pair myself because I absolutely love it.